Pakistan has been relentlessly facilitating anti-India activities. Be it Kashmir or Punjab, Islamabad has been misusing all its state mercenaries to push in terrorist and provoke anti-India sentiments in the form of Khalistan to disrupt peace and harmony in India. Exposing these nefarious agendas of Pakistan, Punjab police recently seized a huge cache of foreign-made pistols and arrested a weapon smuggler linked with Pakistan-based terror outfits and anti-India pro-Khalistani elements based in abroad, a report.
Pakistan for decades has been sponsoring and aiding terror organizations on its soil to carry out terror activities in India. Its devious designs were exposed once again when Punjab police recently recovered a large cache of foreign-made pistols and arrested a weapon smuggler, Jagjit Singh Aka Jaggu, allegedly linked to Pakistani terror outfits and pro-Khalistani organizations based in the United States, Canada and the United Kingdom. Jagjit was working at the behest of US-based handler Dharmanjot Singh, Aka Dharman Kahlon, who is affiliated with banned terrorist organizations like the Babbar Khalsa International and Khalistan Liberation Force based in Pakistan and have operatives in the West. The arrest and seizure is a testimony to the fact that Pakistan was trying to revive terrorism in Punjab. It is no coincidence that the arms recovered from Jagjit Singh are among the list of weapons used by Pakistani army.
उसने बताया कि उसका कांटेक्ट एक दमनजोत एलियस दरमन कालो ये यूएस में है और इसका जो विलेज है दरमनजोत का ये तलवंडी खुमान है। तलवंडी खुमान जो पुलिस स्टेशन कत्थुनंगल में है। तो दरमनजोत का विलेज और जगजीत का विलेज ये तकरीबन आसपास ही है। यहाँ जब पंजाब में था तब भी ये दरमनजोत के कांटेक्ट में था और जब ये दुबई गया तब भी ये उसके कांटेक्ट में रहा है। जब ये उसके कांटेक्ट में आया तो उसने बताया कि तू कत्थुनंगल एरिया में जाके वहाँ से कुछ आपको मिलेगा कंसाइनमेंट, वो कंसाइनमेंट ले आओ। जो दरमन कालो है जो बाहर है यूएस में, ये पता लगा है कि इसके संबंध कुछ बैंड टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं उसके साथ हैं जिनके मेंबर्स कनाडा में, यूएस में, यूके में हैं, पाकिस्तान में हैं।
The pro-Khalistan separatists settled abroad are also making repeated attempts to grab the attention of the world Sikh community by indulging into violence. Earlier in March, some radical pro-Khalistan goons attacked a Tiranga rally organized by Canadian Indian and insulted the Indian national flag. Indian diaspora has been continuously facing threats from such brainwashed Khalistani sympathizers who are being funded by ISI.
As of today, there are virtually no takers for the Khalistan movement in India or Punjab. It has virtually come to its absolute standstill. This notwithstanding, 6 separatists settled in America, UK, Canada, Germany, Pakistan continue to hold rallies off and on with a view to A. garner additional funds from the Sikh community, second, embarrass India, and third, to retain relevance. India need not be bothered about it at all. There is virtually no support for Khalistan movement anywhere in the world today other than nuisance value.
A report published by a leading Canadian think tank last year also reiterated the fact that Pakistan continues to provide training to pro-Khalistani separatists and indulges in relentless propaganda on the issue. It has also been found that various websites of pro-Khalistan organizations, including secessionist group Sikh for Justice, have links with Pakistan. Not only that, in the past, Sikhs for Justice wrote to Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan to politically support the referendum 2020 movement that clearly exposed Pakistan's close nexus with pro-Khalistan separatists based in the West. Not only abroad but in Pakistan too, these outfits are being provided with complete support and shelter. In the past, several outfits such as the Babur Khalsa, Khalistan Liberation Force, Khalistan Zindabad Force, and Khalistan Commando Force have come under the scanner. A meeting at the Nankana Sahib in Pakistan between these elements and the ISI also came under the scanner. Meanwhile, it was also established that the Babur Khalsa and the Lashkar-e-Taiba were sharing a common office outside the Nankana Sahib.
पाकिस्तान की शुरू से कोशिश रही है, हमारे पंजाब से, हिंदुस्तान से के भगौड़े, परमजीत सिंह पंजवड़, वदावा सिंह बब्बर, ऐसे कई टेररिस्ट हैं जो पाकिस्तान में उनके रोटी पानी पे पलते हैं। अब वो पाकिस्तान ISI उनके ऊपर प्रेशर डालता है कि आप कुछ करते नहीं हैं, हम आपको खाना खिलाते हैं, हम आपको यहाँ रहने की जगह देते हैं, आप जाके कोई ना कोई पंजाब के अंदर नई वारदात करो। अब पंजाब के कई गैंगस्टर, जम्मू कश्मीर के कई पुराने आतंकवादी अब उनके मिलकर के विदेशों में कोई ना कोई किसी ना किसी से टाई अप करके हिंदुस्तान में साजिश करते हैं कि हम कोई ना कोई नया रास्ता अपनाएं, क्योंकि कश्मीर के अंदर पाकिस्तान की पॉलिसी टेररिज्म के ऊपर पूरी जो फैलाने की वो फेल हो चुकी है। हमारी सुरक्षा फोर्सेज ने उनको ख़त्म कर दिया है।
While Pakistan continues to push its Khalistan agenda, the fact of the matter is that it has not found many takers in India. That is why Pakistan is instigating anti-Indian forces to target Indians in different countries. Sponsoring attacks against Indians living abroad portray Pakistan's hatred towards India. A part of this hatred stems from the fact that diplomatically Pakistan has failed to gather any global momentum against India.